Remote work has evolved. We've gone from coffee shop's laptop to fully equipped home offices. And now we are in the era of remote work 3.0, where the right tools decide how productive, connected, and stress free your workday is. And here's the thing, you don't need weeks to write about them anymore. Let me show you how. This blog on remote work was done in under 3 minutes with Autoblogging.ai. It's got the heading, the images, and infographics, even FAQs, and a YouTube video added at the bottom of your blog. And I did not write a single word myself. I'll show you how I did this using Autoblogging.ai. After you log in, inside your dashboard, there are 3 different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going to go with wizard. This is where you choose exactly how the AI should create your blog step by step. For the article title, I'm going to type Remote Work 3.0, the latest tools you need to know. Now, it is keyword rich for SEO and clearly appealing to anyone working remotely. Next, for the language, I'm going to keep it English, but Autoblogging supports 30 languages, so you can publish for readers anywhere. Next, for the length, I'm going to keep it medium, enough space to explain each tools without losing readers' interest. Short is for best quick top tools list, and long is for a perfect deep comparison and reviews. Next, for the article type, I'm going to pick informative. It is great for explaining and reviewing multiple tools in detail. Here's what other types do. Listicle is a format into a numbered list. Places is for location-focused articles, and service bar landing pages is conversion-focused content. Next, here I'm going to pick second person so the article speaks directly to the reader, making it more engaging. First person is more like a personal experience, and third person is more neutral and a formal tone. Next, I'm going to pick conversational here so the article sounds friendly, modern, and easy to follow. But here's what other style do. Witty is, it adds a playful tone. Professional is more formal and editorial. Premium style 1 is for SEO structure, built for ranking. Snippet optimizer is structured for Google quick answers. Less AI words will sound more natural. And auto is where AI choose the most appropriate style based on your article topic. Next, I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Intent optimized article. It boosts the keyword targeting for remote work tools and related searches. FAQs will automatically add a question answer section at the end of your blog with questions people are already searching on Google. AI images will automatically add relevant visuals for each tools, and infographic is a great quick visual summaries or a comparison chart. Next, SERP analysis. Autoblogging scans the top ranking remote work articles, studies their structure, their flow, their headlines, shapes, and it competes with yours. So you don't have to do guesswork here. It will automatically be done using the SERP analysis mode. You just have to enable this and quickly leave a note in the source context box of how you want your article to be. And also select the country where you want to rank at first. Here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition uses a proven content structure. External link will add links to trusted sources for that credibility. Key takeaways will add a short summary of the main points at the bottom of your blog, and YouTube videos will add a relevant video related to remote work tools. Next, AI proofreading. Now just enable this and quickly leave a note here. Autoblogging will check the grammar, spelling, and readability before the blog is even delivered to you. Next, internal linking. Now when you enable this and add your website here, Autoblogging will scan your existing content and automatically link related phrases in your new blog to the older post. So this is great for SEO. Next, human proofreading. Now, if you want a real editor to review the blog for that tone, clarity, and fact checks, you just have to enable this and quickly leave a note here. For this, you will require a human proofreading credit, which you can purchase from dashboard anytime. Now, hit on generate article, click on the history tab, scroll down, and within minutes, you'll get a view-like icon here. Click on that. And here's your finished article, which is ready to publish with SEO optimized headings, images, FAQs, infographics, everything done. And if you want to be quicker next time, here's what you can do. You can always go to quick and single section where you just have to type your article title, and with a fewer clicks you can generate an article. And if you need 10, 20 or even 100 blogs at once, bulk mode has you covered. You can use this option, and you can also auto post directly to WordPress. Remote work isn't slowing down, it's getting smarter. And the same should be true for how you create content. With Autoblogging.ai, you can turn your ideas into a ready to publish blogs in minutes. And if you want to skip this part, you can also try a done for you blog service where we'll handle the entire blog for you. If you want more tutorials like this, hit subscribe and drop a comment telling me which remote work tool you can't live without.